Ever wondered why some websites rank higher despite having fewer backlinks? The secret lies in the quality of those links. Majestic's Trust Flow, TF metric, measures the quality of a website's backlink profile, setting it apart from other metrics. Unlike Citation Flow, CF, which only counts the number of links, TF focuses on the trustworthiness of those links. TF uses a seed set of high-quality, human-reviewed sites to determine the trustworthiness of other sites. Websites closely linked to these trusted seed sites receive higher TF scores, reflecting their backlink quality. However, TF is not entirely immune to manipulation. Freelancers can inflate TF scores, though it's more resistant than other metrics. In our experiment, we hired authority hackers to manipulate TF scores, and while they succeeded initially, Majestic eventually caught on. Majestic's manual checks can reset manipulated TF scores, ensuring fair authority metrics over time. A good TF score is relative. It's valuable when compared to competitors' scores, not in isolation. While TF isn't foolproof, it remains a robust metric for assessing backlink quality, making it a crucial tool for SEO.